Alright, I'm going to show you the process of how to take the information and put it onto boards, and then take the boards and create videos so that you can flip your classroom. So what it starts off first with is that you need, obviously, your TE. For whatever subject you're doing, obviously here you have math. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take the topic that you're on in the lesson, and you're going to take the information that you want to give to the students. And you're going to take that information and you're going to put it on these planning boards. Okay? The planning boards are here so that you can, make mistakes, cross things out, figure out what you want to put on the boards, because you don't have unlimited boards. There's not going to be enough room on the tray where you put the boards, so you have to limit the amount of information, or really just put the best information on the boards, and that's it. Okay? So, for example, here we're doing order of operations, and it's the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally with the information that it is, parentheses, exponents, and so forth. The direct instruction that I'm going to do, and it's got all of them in there so that I can show them, or except for subtraction, but I can show them how this all works up here. And then I have problems here that I'm going to do like I do in class, and the students, because you've already relayed this information, they're going to pause the video and they're going to work out this problem, or all four of them, and then watch you solve them to make sure that they did them correct. Okay, so then you take, after you fill out your planning board, you take this information and you take it over to your whiteboards, and then you draw, or you make your whiteboards based on each one of these boards that you made. Alright? Then you take these whiteboards, and you can color them, do all kinds of stuff so that it stands out, the important stuff. You can have like a little saying on your videos that lets people know this is the important stuff, you need to pay attention to this. And it's like a keyword or something like that if you like. Anyways, so you take the boards, and then you put the boards onto your whiteboard in this tray right here so that you can slide the boards across. Alright? And then you set up your camera. Obviously you need a little chair right there so you can sit down to teach. Then you set up your camera, or now we have these nice iPads across so that you can video yourself teaching the lesson. Okay? So you set this down. You basically kind of set up the camera like that. Or at least the iPad it would be, because you don't want that blocking your view. But you set that up. Okay, then you sit down, you hit record on your iPad or on your camera, and then you teach the lesson. And you say, order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, you talked about parentheses, exponents, multiplication, divide from left to the right. You give them all the information that you want to talk about on this slide. Then or on this whiteboard, and then you slide it. Okay? Then my next slide was this direct instruction. So now, I tell them what I'm doing. If I want, I could rewrite, I probably should have please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, and if I didn't do it on the slide, I can just add it in like I did right now. Just like you would do as you were teaching. If you on your Promethean board, you got the next page and you add it on there after you've already written the problem. No big deal. You just go with it. Then you solve this, and then you slide your whiteboard for your next one. And that's basically how you do it. You then take your videos and you post them where you need to post them, and then you're done.